What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing a technical analysis on CLNE ticker. So, and first of all, we have to define where we are on a greater scale. For this case, we can use log scale, as you can see, and we have weird structure right here. And if you have some doubts about the Elliott wave breakdown, just use a simple swing high and swing low in order to do some measurements. So this is our swing low. It was on March 13th, and our swing high is right here at this top. And as you can see, we hit exactly 0.65, 0.618 levels. It is the most probable level of trend reversal. And we also had very good reaction from 0.5 level right here on at the beginning of March 2021, and we bounced back from it and went lower to these levels. So I think we defined it correctly, and let's do some more measurements. And as you can see, we have this entire structure. This means this is a retracement from the bottom to the top. And usually retracement has a shape of simple zigzag, and here it is, simple zigzag. And let me show you one more thing. We have to measure this first A wave in order to confirm our B wave as our top of the retracement, of the second wave of retracement. So let's clean the chart a little bit. And to do this measurement, I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top, as you can see, to this bottom. And we also hit to the tick 0.618, 0.65 levels. We broke this level, but then we roll over and went, as you can see, went lower to these levels. And it is also very technical. So what do we have here from our current price, action? We have very good volume. And I don't want to dive deep into fundamentals of this price action to the upside. I just want to give you a pure technical analysis, and I just want to give you possible options, what we can do and what can do the price of this stock. And let me show you this. As you can see, we have several waves, and I think we might have the entire structure of 5 waves from this bottom to this top. And it might be right here. First, second, this is the third one, fourth retracement, and the fifth one right here. If my assumption is correct, we can do another measurement for this entire movement. And what do we have here? And here we also have very good touch of the level 0.618 and 0.65. As you can see, this asset has a repeatable pattern. Usually it hits 0.618, 0.65 levels on their major movements. And we might have two possibilities. As usual, we might go up or we might go down. And let me show you key levels. So definitely we have a key support level at our bottom of this movement. And as you can see, we have a very good confluence level with this bottom. Next potential level is right here, and we also have very good confluence zone right here. We have this price action and this, and basically we can make it to this point, we can make it longer. And as you can see from our current price, first level of support at about 20% from our current price, and second level of support at about 34% from our current price. So it is quite risky, because we have huge room to go to the downside, but also we have some positive movements. As you can see, we bounce from the 0.618, 0.65 level, and this means technically from this point this asset is bullish, and we have to exceed all the levels, all the previous peaks, in order to establish higher highs and higher lows. In this case, this asset will establish new uptrend. And let me show you resistance levels. So we hit this resistance, as you can see, to the tick and bounce back from it, and it worked perfectly. Next potential resistance might be at this peak, and next one of course, our all-time high. And from our current price, our first resistance at level of about 30%, second resistance at level of about 46%, and next one at 73%. So what should you do if you want to catch the trade of this asset? Basically, it is a rather good point to add your position, but always keep in mind that you have to ladder your buys down. This asset is very risky, it has a huge volatility, and if this asset breaks this first level of support right here, it might indicate that it might go lower. If we will hit this level, as you can see, this retracement will be failed, and this basically not the retracement but this up movement will be failed, and we will have a failed wave. In this case, we will have one more leg to the downside, and this is our first wave. It is a W. Next wave is X, and third bottom will be Y point, and it will be lower than the W. So this is the bearish case, and you have to keep an eye on these three key points, and if all the pivots, all the major pivot holds, we will have an opportunity to hit these resistance levels. So for now, I think from the technical standpoint that's it. I don't want to dive deep into major targets of Y wave or the targets that might be higher than this previous top. Just keep an eye on these levels, and if this video will collect more than 50 likes, I will do another update when we will cross some major points and when we will have some technical news, and from that point I will do a projection of potential targets. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!